All right, let's take a look at number 3 together. So in this case, you got our position time graph, and notice that you have a slope that is changing. So remember that the slope of your position time graph represents velocity. So what we're saying here is that the slope at position 4 seconds is different from the slope at position 8 seconds, right? Because the instantaneous velocity at 4 seconds is different from the instantaneous velocity at 8 seconds. So how do we go about finding the instantaneous velocity on a curve? Well, you need a ruler. All right, what you're going to do is you're going to take that ruler at time equals 4 seconds, and you're going to draw a line as best you can that is tangential to the curve at that point. So, for instance, something like that. And so by tangential, what we mean is that that line that you've drawn only brushes past the curve at time equals 4 seconds. So now we've got our tangential line, right? We pick 2 points off of it, right? Try to pick 2 points that you can guesstimate fairly well. And using those 2 points, you can find the slope. All right, using y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now, if we want to find the instantaneous velocity at time equals 8 seconds, so roughly there, and let me get a different color marker. Again, we take our ruler and we draw a line tangential to the curve, again meaning that it brushes by the curve only at time equals 8 seconds. Alright, that's not the best, but you guys get the point. Again, you would pull off 2 points, right, that you can fairly decently estimate, and again, find your slope. Right, now without even dealing with numbers, you should be able to tell just visually, right, that the slope is much greater at time equals 8 seconds, right, which makes sense because this object is accelerating and its instantaneous velocity is greater at 8 seconds. So the key there is draw those tangential lines, pick 2 points on the slope, pick 2 points on that tangential line, find the slope. That would be your instantaneous velocity. Hope that helps. Let me know if you got questions.